is helping industries detect danger before it strikes? The answer lies in the rapidly evolving gas leak sensor market. Honeywell leads the market with a 13% share, followed by MSA Safety at 9%. Draeger Work ranks third at 5%, while Emerson Electric and Amphenol holds 4% each. The competitive landscape highlights the growing importance of sensor performance, reliability, and safety-focused innovation. As demand for real-time monitoring increases across energy, manufacturing, and infrastructure, advanced gas leak detection is becoming more critical than ever. Companies that enhance accuracy, connectivity, and response times are well positioned to drive the market forward. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.